निकालना है सब क्योंकि जाना नहीं है कहीं। Hey everyone, this is Twinkle and welcome to my channel. Today I have created this pink glam makeup look for going absolutely nowhere. Yes, so yeah, if you all are interested and if you all are getting bored and also not going anywhere but like makeup, so you are at the right place. Let's get ready together. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start. I'm here with my Bina makeup ka face and let's start with the makeup. I am not including any skincare. Already I have washed, toned and moisturized my face. First step will be primer. I am taking only little bit and putting around my nose and just spreading it towards my cheeks. I am putting my foundation stick on. Basically I always like stick foundation more rather than liquid because it suits me more. It stays on my face, it stays on my skin much more. So I'll start covering these marks first, and on the marks I am putting more product because I need the coverage much more, like this. And the rest of my face I am going to put it very little in a decent amount, just dabbing. As always, I forgot, but I'll do it. Good girl. कभी कभी मन होता था I just put गुलाब जल and then start blending. ज़्यादा मज़ा. Now I'll be needing little concealer, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे black spots पे जितना भी. Now before setting with the compact powder, what I like to do is I just put my lipstick, which I want to use as a blush. I put it on my cheeks in this way. I know it's looking too much, but see the trick. I'll just blend it on the place only. Now I will set my face. I know it's looking too much right here. For some people it is okay, but for me it is too much. But now I will use my compact and then you will see. I told you all the blush is now completely set, and as I have set it with the compact powder, which is in skin tone color, it is already dissolved and lightened. First step which I like to do for my eye is filling the brows. Yes, earlier I used to hate this step. I thought that why anybody needs to fill their brows, this is not important, you just clean it and all the product is gone. But gradually when I'm practicing it, I'm enjoying it. So yeah, you enjoy with me. For eye look, I have in my mind a very pinky look, like pinks and pinks and pinks. But let's see where we go with the look. But yeah, I'm putting little bit concealer on my lids. ठीक है यार, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, so I wanted to create a full pink look, but starting में मैं अब इसको थोड़ा बहुत ही pink but subtle रखना चाह रही हूँ. So first I am putting this very light shimmer. बहुत ज़्यादा है. दोनों के बीच का भी एक शेड लगा दूँ. Nice. Can you see this light darker? मुझे बड़ा ही अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं ब्राउन और स्मोकी कर करके बहुत बोर हो गई थी एंड आई एम लाइकिंग इट टू मच. सही लग रहा है कि कैसे ये उभर के उठ के निखर के आ गया पिंक लुक. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो. आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. निकालना है सब क्योंकि जाना नहीं है कहीं. That's it for today. If you like the video, then like the video and hit that subscribe button right now. Then go. See you in my next video. Bye bye.